Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. Today, I'm here with another video to show you guys how you can log into your Dayforce Employee Account. So first of all, just go to your default search engine and in the search bar, just type in CDN. Dayforce Street in and hit enter. Now, after the results pop up, it is the first link that shows up on your screen. Click on that link and it will take you to a new interface. As you can see, you have been taken to a new interface where you need to put your company's name, your user ID, and correct password. Now, after putting the correct company name, user ID, and password, now hit on login and you'll be logged into your DEF account. And for some reason, if you can't have access to your account, here's a button to help you with your problem. Click on Can't access your account if you are not able to access your account. So after clicking on Login, you'll be logged into your Dayforce Employee Account. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys find our video helpful, and if you do, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if there are any queries for your login process, feel free to comment down on our video. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.